Did you know that Columbia University has a remarkable 96% of its students securing employment or pursuing further education within 6 months of graduation? That's an impressive testament to the university's robust academic programs and the tenacity of its students. Now, let's delve into the details. Segment 1. Diverse career paths. The university's commitment to a comprehensive education equips its students with the skills to excel in a multitude of fields. From finance to the arts, Columbia graduates find their niche in various industries across the globe. Segment 2. Top employers. The prestige of Columbia University's education attracts multinational companies and top-tier firms. Graduates often find themselves working in leading financial institutions, tech giants, renowned law firms, and influential media organizations. Segment 3. The business school success. The Columbia Business School is a breeding ground for future leaders in finance, consulting, and entrepreneurship. The school's strong ties with the business community provide students with unique opportunities and exposure. Segment 4. The law school impact. Columbia Law School graduates are making waves in the legal profession. Many assume leadership roles in law firms, government, public interest organizations, and international law. Segment 5. Engineering and Applied Science careers. The Few Foundation School of Engineering and Applied Science is a powerhouse of technological and scientific advancement, with its graduates making significant contributions to these fields. Segment 6. Journalism and Media. The School of Journalism at Columbia is a launching pad for successful careers in journalism, broadcasting, and media, shaping the global discourse. Segment 7. International impact. Columbia's global engagement is evident in the international footprint of its graduates. They work in various countries, contributing to global organizations and initiatives. Segment 8. Research and Academia. Many Columbia graduates continue their academic journey, contributing to the university's legacy of academic excellence in research institutions and universities worldwide. Segment 9. Public Service and Policy. Columbia graduates are often drawn towards public service and policy analysis, shaping public policy and addressing societal challenges. Segment 10. Entrepreneurship and Innovation. Columbia University fosters an environment of innovation, with many of its graduates founding startups, leading innovation initiatives, and contributing to the tech industry. Segment 11. Arts and Culture. Graduates from Columbia's programs in the arts and humanities are adding layers to the cultural landscape through their contributions in writing, filmmaking, media, and other creative industries. Segment 12. Networking and Alumni Connections. Columbia's extensive alumni network offers a wealth of opportunities for mentorship, networking, and collaboration, often aiding in career advancement. In summary, while Columbia University does not have a centralized career placement office, individual schools and departments provide ample resources, networking events, and career counseling to support students in their career development. It's clear that the Columbia University experience is more than just academic. It's a stepping stone to a successful future. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to @Tech by Punj for more insightful videos like